Today, take a look at the OPTIMA Model 25. And it says separate A from B, use under battery if needed. So we got A and B. If we needed this to be a little bit taller, we could click that in there. Now, because the base is a little bit further out than the top of the battery, one thing I was curious about is exactly how far these posts are from that side. And from center, we're looking at about 2 inches to the edge here, and then another 1/4 inch to the edge there. So about 2 1/4 inches from where the battery would sit in the bay. And we're looking at about 3/4 of an inch there, and that is in line with the base on the bottom. And it looks like the same dimensions on the other. Now, it does say right here, this is a Model 25. We're getting this to replace a Group 24 battery. The dimensions should be the same. You can see there is no real ports here for filling it with water because you never really need to. And non-spillable. So we didn't need to use this. We were able to just kind of plop that guy in there. And as you can see, we did have the positive on the right, negative on the left, right where it needed to be. These terminals were not centered. They were kind of offset. That's the main reason I got this number 25. That way we didn't have to worry about trying to stretch these cables to fit. So let's see if it starts. So we do got our lights. And she fires right up. No battery indicator. Pretty cool. So that is a pretty awesome little battery.